planting on the Otacho hill, where we have planted over 600 trees for today, but the exercise has begun about 4 days ago, and the planting has been going on. And as we are speaking today, as we are launching this exercise, we have been able to do 10 hectares of planting on the hill that we have just completed a few moments ago. And our planting has basically focused on a mixed species of indigenous trees, given that the hilly side is actually prone to erosion and other destructive soil activities. So we would rather have indigenous growing on these forests so that we protect it. Is that planting is just one activity. We need to continue protecting those trees. Once we plant them, please let's ensure that we put mechanism in place to protect those trees so that they can grow and give us the services that we are looking forward to. Actually endangering our future, the future life of our generation. We need to stop this kind of encroachment, and I'm sure in partnership with the county government we'll be working on mechanism to ensure that those cases are actually eliminated.
Want in future, after planting our trees, and as I said earlier, those are the hilltops we are trying to, our catchment areas, we want to put into tree, so that, as the chief guest said, let's adapt those hills. And then encroachment, the county government is going to take action, and as an action that will see that all that land encroached onto are recovered back to the county for the intended use.
There's a bill on conservation of forests that is cooking, and soonest it will be brought to the assembly for a first reading, and you understand the process where it goes up to the second reading for the purposes of debating before it comes maybe probably into bid through a third reading. And after that, we'll really expect even the county government through the executive to make regulations that shall really regulate the same, and towards seeing into that we have an act that will really see into the conservation of the environment. Probably the request is that this one may not only end with the Otacho hilltop, but we also have some other hilltops that are really owned by the government. Mirema is one of them that is also in Nyatike sub-county. We extend that, or even that extension to be done in satellite hilltops. But we are also very much aware that people have become so much, I don't know whether we call them predators or how we will call them, because they encroach even these hilltops. We really expect even the county government to initiate a process of coming up with a policy that will really see into that these people who are really encroaching these hilltops that are owned by the government for the purposes of conserving environment, of conserving the forestry, can really be recovered from them. So I think the soonest it is done, better for us.